Welcome to Vans. Yeah. Okay, well that's a long drive. Would you like to use the restroom? And down this hall, you can leave that stuff if you want. Yeah. So just down here and on your left.
Obviously putting together
right.
a crate.
This is a RV-8.
RV-8?
Yeah, RV-8, quick build.
Where's it going?
Canada. Yeah, from Canada.
Thank you. RV-12.
Do you know much about the Rotax?
I've heard about the turning the prop for the oil thing.
Yeah, so this is a little bit more of an effective way to burp the engine, is pull the propeller to where you feel the pistons compress, and then let the air going around the rings and the piston push the oil out of the sump up into the oil tank. So it'll take a lot fewer blades to burp it.
Is there a quick build version for this?
Not currently.
Not currently.
Not currently, yeah.
So
The airplane doesn't take a lot of time to build.
That's
It's
what he was
about
saying.
a third the build time at the others. At some point in the future, we might, because with ELSA, there's no more 51% rule like there is with EA experimental amateur build.
Right.
Yeah, you'll find when we're up in the air, the visibility out of this in the air is pretty remarkable. It's a great sightseeing airplane.
Yeah.
Really good.
Wow. It burped.
That's the burp.
You have to do that every time
You have to do that
when it's cold.
basically before you fly. So if you burped it and know it's burped 3 hours ago, you're flying. You basically want to know there's oil in it. What you're doing is pushing oil out of the engine up into the oil tank so you can check the oil.
Who painted this?
This one was painted by Synergy.
Oh,
down
I
in,
heard about that.
They used to build our RV-12 SLSAs for us. And they built this airplane. We build them in-house now, and we paint at a local partner. That airplane right there is about the ship. That's an SLSA, but it's about the ship. Okay, let's go ahead and crawl in.
back here. He's working on a finishing kit for an RV-12. He's getting all the fiberglass components pulled, and let's see. Nothing in the crate quite yet, but getting close. The finishing kit, you get most of the fiberglass, like the wheel pants, cowling, a lot of items like that will be in the finishing kit. Engine mounts, wheels and brakes, gear legs for the most part are in the finishing kit.
This is all RV-12.
Yeah, everything you see on the carts on the ground and that table, that would be all RV-12 components. And he's grabbing the canopy there. He's already got the rear window sitting here.
You make the canopy yourself here?
We do not. So the canopies are made in Dayton, Ohio.
Hi, I'm Brandon Flores, building an RV-12is from Denton, Texas, here at Arrow Valley Airport, and getting motivated, ready to get this thing built. So, look forward to it now.
So what have you completed so far?
So far I've completed the empennage and halfway through the fuselage. Next up will be the wings. So, doing it, the empennage wing, the fuselage, then wings. So, that way.
Do you have any advice for people that are thinking about getting started?
Get started now. It's super easy. It's the plans are easy to follow. And there's just a whole support community out there to help you out. So there's really, the only advice is to start now. Don't wait. It's easy to get into and progress along. So
You enjoy the building process?
I love it. Yeah, probably as much as flying.